Welcome guys, welcome to our channel Sports and Live. In this particular video, we are going to see Indian opening batsmen who are available in the market. We are considering 7 openers who are available and they are Indians. So firstly, the best opener possible is at number 1. I have selected KL Rahul because if you go and see his stats, 47 average and a strike rate of 136. Considering that KL Rahul did not play his initial few matches well, so considering that, I think it's a phenomenal record which he's holding, and he stands at number 1 in our list, and he can be selected as a captain as well as a wicket keeper. So most of the teams are going to target a player like him, and every team would require him. Mostly he may be taken by one of the franchise. Mostly Lucknow is what people are telling, but let's see if KL Rahul wants to go to Lucknow. So at number 2, I would keep Shikhar Dhawan. Shikhar Dhawan, because he has improved immensely in last few years, and his strike rate, even though if it is 126 in IPL, his average is pretty good. That's 34. As a left-hand player who is really matured and he can lead from the front, I think he stands at number 2 in our list. At number 3, I have kept Nitish Rana, a batting all-rounder. He doesn't bowl much, but I have just put his stats because I just felt that he picks up wickets very frequently, and an economy of 8. I think that's pretty good, right? But he is one batsman who can play at the top as well as at middle order. I think he will be definitely targeted by many of the teams because he's a left-hander. You don't get much in Indian cricket who can bat as an opener as well as in the middle order. And one thing to be noticed is his strike rate. I think 132 is a fantastic strike rate. Only thing is that his average is not that good, but definitely there are not many Indian batsmen who can open as well as play in the middle order and who is a left-hander. So definitely most of the teams will be targeting this Delhi batsman. So that's the reason he'll be at number 3. So at number 4, we have a Maharashtra batsman who has really performed well in last few years, as well as his strike rate is really good, considering he plays at both as an opener, as a middle order player, as well as finisher. I think he's uh, unselfish player who every team wants. I think he will be going for at least 3 to 5 crores in this particular auction. The only reason I am telling 3 to 5 crore is because he'll come at number 2 slot of batsman's list. I think that's the reason he'll go for that particular amount at an average of 26 and a strike rate of 136, who can bat anywhere. I think he's one batsman whom most of the teams will have a look. He can even score sixes. I think mostly Lucknow team is trying to target for him, as well as CSK is what my bet is. And one more left-hand opener who is in everyone's radar is Devdutt Padikkal. Definitely in next 3 years he'll be one of the stars in Indian cricket team. His average is 31, which is really good, but his strike rate is one thing which is criticized by most of them. But at the age of 20, having a strike rate of 125 for the world's best bowlers bowling at the power play, I think he deserves more credit than he's really getting. So he's the next batsman at number 5. At number 6, I would keep Shubman Gill. I think he's the next big superstar of Indian cricket. So definitely he is also having a fantastic average of 31, and he's very consistent as well. I think he's a 3 format player and he'll be captain of Indian cricket team in next decade. And the only thing is that he's also criticized of playing very slow, with a very slow strike rate, but definitely he will be targeted by uh, teams like KKR, and as well as I think RCB and one of the new franchisees. So I personally think he has a very good future. And last but not the least, a surprise pick, that's Pratsimran Singh. Pratsimran Singh has not done much in IPL cricket, but definitely he has done enough in domestic cricket to justify his role as a wicketkeeper batsman who is really explosive. In domestic, you can see his average in T20s is 33. I think that's one thing which needs to be noticed. He has played 5 matches in IPL, but he has never been successfully as an average of 10 and a very low strike rate of 90. Trust me, guys, he is not a batsman who plays slow. He plays really fast. I think most of the teams will be targeting him. Even in 2019 auction, I think he was given a very huge price of around 4.8 crore. So if somebody is giving 4.8 crore, then he must be something special. So let's see a number of openers required by the teams, so that we will get an idea that which team may target him. So Ahmedabad and Lucknow needs two openers because currently I am considering they haven't retained any, and even SRH needs an opener, so two openers. So these three teams will be looking for an opening option, and apart from that, uh, KKR and RCB also will be looking for opener. In KKR, if they consider Venkatesh Iyer as an opener, then they require one. Otherwise, they would require two. Even RCB, if they consider Kohli as an opener, then they require one. Otherwise, they require two. Apart from that, Chennai, Delhi Kings, Punjab Kings, and Mumbai Indians require one opener each. Mumbai have Rohit, CSK have Rutu, um, Kings have Mayank, and Delhi have Prithvi. Only team which does not require any of the opener now is I think Rajasthan Royal, because they already have Yashasvi Jaiswal and Josh Butler. So I think they will be going for bowling option as well as all-rounders option. So this will definitely give a fair idea that who might be targeting whom in the auction. So if you like the video, tell me which category of players you would like to have in next video.